Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Before you dive in, hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps me creating. That rainy evening in Seattle, I was in our cozy apartment. Kitchen lights glowing softly. Chopping veggies for dinner. My husband Mark came home from work. Tired but with that sweet smile. Handing me a warm latte. From the corner cafe down the block. The one with the best foam art. I took it gratefully. But deep down, a nagging feeling lingered. We've been married 10 years. From college sweethearts to juggling bills and dreams. Life's like this latte. Comforting yet a bit frothy. Lately though, Mark seemed distant. Phone glued to his hand. Whispering calls at midnight. Like he was guarding something. It was a lazy Saturday. Mark said he'd meet old friends. I nodded. But doubt crept in like Seattle fog. After he left, I sat on the couch, staring at our wedding photo. Golden hour in Golden Gate Park. Smiles wide and wild. Now what? Everything felt off. I wandered to the study. His journal tucked in the drawer. I never touched it before. But today, an urge pulled me in. Fingers shaking as I opened it. First page, our wedding date. Neat script dreaming big. I smiled faintly. Flipped further. Then bam! A note stopped me cold. Sent $5,000 to Lisa today. Lisa who? Heart pounding. I read on. Lisa's his sister. Back in Portland. Married young. Hubby lost his job. Family scraping by. Mark's been wiring money quietly. Years now. Keeping it from me. Worried it'd stress us out. Burden our little life. I froze. Tears blurring the ink. Those late calls. Overtime excuses. All to build her a safety net. What I thought was hiding was pure heart. But the storm was just brewing. I snapped the journal shut. Mind spinning like a Pacific swell. Why keep me in the dark? We're partners in this. Through thick and thin. Does he think I'm too fragile? Or doesn't trust my strength? Rage bubbled up. I stormed to the living room. Dialed his number. Mark, where are you? Voice cracking with hurt. He paused. At the coffee shop. Be right home. 20 minutes later. Door creaked open. He rushed in. Eyes full of fear. I tossed the journal on the table. You've hidden this for 10 years. Tears streaming. He paled. Dropped to the rug. Started spilling it all. From Lisa's wedding day. He vowed to protect the fam. Parents gone too soon. Big bro duty called. Seattle mortgage. Our date nights. Plus her endless struggles. He shouldered it solo. Afraid it'd dim my light. That night. We huddled on the floor. Seattle rain pattering the windows. City lights twinkling like stars. I listened to his tale. Heart twisting in knots. Marriage isn't fairy tales. It's a shared fortress. I flashed back. Years of him shielding me. From storms I never saw. My anger softened. But tension peaked. I sobbed. Why doubt me? We could have faced it together. He pulled me close. Voice thick. I couldn't risk you. Then the twist hit. I recalled last year. Lisa visiting Seattle. Mark sneaking her to Pike Place. Fresh salmon for us. Said it was a client gift. Now it clicked. His love. Silent acts of grace. Feelings built like waves. From fury to ache. Ache to peace. We talked till dawn. Seattle sunrise peeking through. Bathing our faces in gold. I held his hand. Let's start fresh. Share the loads from now. He nodded. Eyes misty. In that beat, I grasped marriage's core. Not flawless bliss, but linked souls pushing on. Humanity's mirror. We lose sight in the daily grind. Miss the weights on loved ones' backs. But open up and reclaim the glow. The tale rolls on. Days later, Lisa called. Grateful for the lifeline. Portland factory steady now. Hubby landed a gig. Family standing tall. I grabbed the phone. First real chat with her. Turns out she wrestled guilt. Not wanting to lean too hard. We planned a trip. Oregon coast next month. Let the ocean heal old scars. Mark grinned nearby. Smile brighter than Space Needle lights. Since then, life shifted gears. Weekly check-ins at home. No more secrets brewing. I stepped up. Eased his workload. He opened up more. No lone wolf anymore. The win hit hard. Office crunch time. I jumped in. My marketing savvy saved the pitch. Colleagues awed. You two are unstoppable. Pride swelled. Marriage can be this epic. Yet humanity's messy. Tiny spats pop up. Like him forgetting anniversary. I pout playfully. He dashes for tulips. From the market. We chuckle. Seattle's spring blooms. Petals dancing in breeze. Like applauding our bond. Reflecting here. Love's not control. It's empathy and grace. In duties weave. We evolve. Stronger selves. Flashback to the journal. Now our ritual read. Yearly reminder. Trust cements the union. If this resonates, drop your thoughts below. Forgive or walk. Let's chat. Like and sub up. Next one's deeper. Thanks for watching.